Alright, got my new Vivitar 545 digital camcorder camera, and I figured I'd do a little video with it. And what I'm going to do is a breakdown of my pistol. So bear with me and get this camera set up. Okay. Jennings Firearms. This is the J22. Okay. Empty. Clip. Little 6-shooter. Break this down. All we're going to need is pointy object right here at the end. There's a dot. Pull back on your tops a little bit. Push in and lift up on the back. Careful not to let this pop out. Little aluminum piece, that's what locks. Spring, pick it up, slide it forward. You have a spring in there. Inside here, little pen, it's your hammer. Top part of your gun. There's your basic breakdown. You can go further. Take the screws out of the wood grain. Remove all your clips. There's your safety. And that is a Jennings J22 breakdown.